All right. Well, I had kind of taken a chance and went with a different brand of skid plate. This one is a T-Rex. It's a little heavier. Doing the research on it, I knew the skid plate was a little heavier than most. But I wanted the strength because I know how rough I can be on things, and I know in the past things that have happened, like on the Triumph, I've taken some side hits that were really close. I almost took out the side clutch cover and a couple of things, and I really like the way the T-Rex has a side covering. I'll show it to you real quick. Make sure. I think I got enough light going on in here. Let me turn the light on just to make sure. But let me turn this camera around, and as you can see, that's the T-Rex. T-Rex Racing. And I love how this comes up right here. This is probably one of my favorite features on the actual skid plate itself. And it's real easy to install. And this is all, I mean, 1/8-inch thick steel plate. I took a hard hit from the side. I bottomed about twice on 2 big logs and a rock. And it never budged. It never got loose. Nothing. It's just so solid. It is a little on the heavy side, but you know what? I don't care. I love the protection. I like how high up it comes. I have no complaints. It was so easy to install. You can see where it mounts right up to the frame. I love that it goes right to the frame and it's not bolted to the motor at all. And that's another thing I like. I don't like when they bolt to the motor. I don't want to protect the motor with the motor. I want it to be completely self-contained, and it does. Everything goes right to the frame. You can see it goes right up here and mounts right there. And it was, once you kind of get the zig and zag of things, the hardest part was getting that back bolt line back up. That's the bolt that holds your center stand. And you got to kind of line everything back up again. That was a little kind of, you know, you had to kind of push and pull, and I finally got it lined up and put in there. But, you know, once you get it in there, it's really, I like it. I like it a lot. Let me show you this other side. Sorry, I got kind of a mess here. And it's basically the same thing on this side as well. Let me adjust the camera just a little bit. Bolts right here to the frame, arm comes down, bolts right here. Got another small piece that comes up, but that's the other spot where it bolts in right there. And again, you got to kind of finagle with it a little bit to get everything lined back up, but it's not that bad. Finish, and I just love how heavy duty the thing is. I mean, it's just solid as a rock. And I gave it a really pretty good beating at Citrus. I hit a couple of trees, rocks, branches, had to run through the water. The whole bottom of the pan was filled with water. It's got plenty of ventilation on the sides. You can see right here, and on the front there, plenty of air for plenty of room for air to get through. So I like it. Very happy with it. And they're not paying me. I bought this. Their T-Rex is not giving me, and they're not supporting me in any way to make this video. This is just for guys like me that are looking for someone that actually put the piece on, the part on, and you know, what they think of it, what their real opinion. I was able to actually take it out in the real world, beat on it, and you know, give it a good review, an honest review. And the only thing is its weight, but that's okay. The weight means it's that much stronger, and it is very, very strong. So I'm cool with that. Anyways, that's my review on the T-Rex. I would say if you don't care about the weight like I do, you want strength, that's real easy to install. Comes in a nice box, all packaged up, has all the bolts, tells you how to, comes with there's a video online that tells you how to install it. There's also instructions that come with it that are self-explanatory. I mean, if you got some tools and half a brain, you can pop that baby right on, no problem. And I like it. I'd buy it again. They make them for other bikes, but I mean, I'm gonna keep this one for a while. But so if you got any questions, if you got any, see something in the video that I didn't quite cover, let me know. I'll answer the questions the best I can, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.